Garuda Aerospace opens retail drone stores across India. By DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, Garuda Aerospace, an Indian developer of drones and UAV technology, recently announced the opening of new retail spaces across India, demonstrating the growing role of UAVs in the Indian economy. The company's flagship retail outlet will open in the coming months in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. On top of their expansion into consumer retail, Garuda also announced the launch of their Service on Wheels program, providing an unprecedented level of post-sales support in the Indian market. The announcement revealed that Garuda hopes to open more than 400 stores and support centers across the country, making them a one-stop shop for precision UAVs to support India's massive agricultural sector. Founder and CEO, Agnishwar Jayaprakash said, "Our entry into offline sales is a milestone for us at Garuda Aerospace. This investment is a significant step forward for us as a company as it takes us closer to our target buyers. Our flagship stores will help us take our consumers' experience to a whole never, unmatchable level. As a company, we are committed to not only revolutionizing the drone industry but also fostering a culture of technological exploration and innovation across India. We aim to inspire the next generation of innovators and contribute to India's progress in technology on a global level." Garuda recently raised over $3 million as part of a bridge round to help scale the business, which recently received a 400 drone order from the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative and has over 10,000 pre-orders from dealers. Some of the funds will also fuel the new retail expansion. Recent efforts by Garuda have included partnerships with international drone manufacturers seeking to enter the Indian market and educational programs designed to teach the Indian public how to integrate UAVs into their agricultural processes, both of which will benefit from the company's growing national presence.